Hello guys, and welcome once again to this new workshop. My name is TL502, and today I want to show you guys something very important. For a while now, I've had my eye on this particular machine that I want to unbox with you guys. For a while, I've always wanted to see how this particular machine works. It's a blind aiming machine. They use it mostly for trouser, the aim of your trouser. They use to do the blind aiming. That is the stitch inside. Some people use end, but this particular machine can do the aiming of the trouser. But as you can see, this top that I'm putting on, as you can see it at the edge, it has no stitches, right? It has no stitches. If you use the machine, you can actually stitch it from inside without being visible. That's what they call blind aiming. So today I will be unboxing the machine with you, and I will make another video on how I'm using the particular machine, but today is just the unboxing because I just get the machine, so I want to just unbox it, see what is inside in the toolbox and all those stuff. So without further ado, let's get straight into this so you can see this, and you can also buy it in order to improve your own work and make it a little bit more professional and neat, just to get to another height of fashion. I've been dying to see this machine for quite a long period of time, so I'll show you guys now. So let's get to it. So here I'm unboxing an industrial blind hemming machine. I don't know what that stuff is all about, but quite simple. Just, I guess someone has opened it before though. So inside it, there's the price, the receipt, and the manual. Here we have the pedal, the foot, the presser, whatever, I don't know. It has this is just the tools box actually. There's the tool box. I'm just going to get this here. I'm going to just push all this one inside of it. The toolbox. And back to this place is the machine itself. So inside here is the machine. As you can see, I don't have someone here to help me with the camera, but you can see here is the machine inside there, and here is the toolbox. I'm going to show you guys how they operate this, and I'll have to just carry this out. It's a little bit, not that big actually. Not that big. That's it. So here try to unfold all this part. Try. I guess this is the, I'm still going to set this up on the machine, on the stand itself. This is the, so here is everything. So I'm going to set it up on the stand, and I will try it out, and I will show you guys how it works. But I feel like this is very, so ready. If I take it closer, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can see that needle from there, somewhere around here. That needle, it's a curve kind of needle. As you can see, this is the needle. This is what the needle looks like. Can you see that? This is what the needle looks like right here. You can see that, right? So it's a curved needle. You can see it from inside, and I feel like this can be opened. Okay, this can be opened. So this is what the stitch looks like, as you can see. This is what the stitch looks like, and if you look at it from the front, you can see that, okay, exactly this is what they call blind hem. So if assuming you are using a matching thread on this one, you won't be able to see these dots at all. We are using a matching thread. So that is it. Let me take you around it. I'll still have to try this out, use it myself to see how it works before I make a video on how it is being used. You can see that. You see that? Actually, before I purchased this, I actually saw some videos on YouTube of this machine. I think this place can be open. There's some adjustment stuff around here, but I've not actually tried it out. But I'll try it later. So that is it. That is all you need to know about this for now, before I do the using of the machine. So that's all, and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell whenever I upload videos so that you receive the notification. And peace, and do enjoy yourself. Bye bye.